So in this video, we're going to talk about how to receive, specifically looking into how to receive an order with a separate, with a different unit of measure. Okay, the receiving process is very simple. It's the same exact way. I'm just going to highlight to you what happens when you receive something that's in a different unit of measure. Okay, so we're going to open up this PO 132. This cocoa powder, for example. Let me pull up the product. This product is tracked in pounds, but here I'm purchasing in cases. If I go into the item configuration and I go to unit of measure and pricing, a case is one case equals 50 pounds. Okay, so what this is essentially saying is I am going to receive 5 cases. Okay, so 5 cases means 250 pounds. All right. So when I'm receiving this, I actually receive it like I'm receiving a case, and the system will basically convert it into pounds. So here the receiving is 1,277. Okay. So when I go ahead and receive one case, it's actually going to go up by 50 pounds. Okay. But if I were to receive all 5 cases here, all right, let me just show you how to receive just one. And then when you're putting the tracking details, you're putting it per case. And then all of the pounds, essentially when it gets converted, so one case equals 50 pounds, right? All 50 pounds will get the same tracking information. All right, so here I'm going to put in an expiration date. And then put in a lot number, press OK. And you'll see that this will go down by 50. Okay, because the expected is always in the low, the inventory numbers are always in the lowest unit of measure. This will go down by 50, so it'll be it'll be 223 minus 50 here. Okay, and then this will go up by 50. So I'm going to go ahead, receive this. Done, and then let me go refresh this. So you'll see this will be 327, and then this is 7173. All right. All right, I'm going to go ahead and receive all 4 cases. What's left? There's a tracking information. Press OK. Click receive. All right. So now I have essentially just received the rest of the cases. Okay. So once it gets received, at the time of receiving, it converts it. That's also where it calculates the costing too. So the costing is essentially at 87.5 per case, and then it's going to divide it when it puts it into inventory, because everything again is tracked at the lowest unit of measure. So this costing will kind of get divided into pounds, and then that value is going to put into inventory. All right. So hopefully this kind of explains to you how to receive something in a different unit of measure. If you have any questions, please watch our other videos or just let us know and then we'll answer your questions. All right. Thank you.